able to offer them hands-on training in our flood room and just have a good time, something you can't get on online training. It's just almost every person who came when they were done said this was definitely better than any online training, and they would love to come to future classes. So I think that we had a lot of laughter today, a lot of fun, a lot of hands-on.
Okay, so last 2 days, of doing the flood room, I think it's exactly what Greg's vision, the way I'm seeing it, of what, he put in my brain and what I thought in my mind, how this was going to work out, and the extended friendships, the way we're going to be able to gain with these adjusters and agents through the flood room, and how I think it's going to really, I'm really seeing that it's really going to help our technicians and our internal people as well. So I see benefit all the way around, and we're pretty pumped.
I think in-person's way better because now I can answer the phone, I can talk with customers and know what will happen to their home. When someone actually goes out there. When I say, hey, I'm going to send, this gentleman there, I know what he's actually going to do now. And I can, kind of assure them that they're going to be all right and what's going to go down. Who don't like to sit at the computer all day and maybe want to get off your butt and go see something and have some fun, I would come on over to Restoration One.
Yeah, how do we benefit them? We're in it to benefit them. We want to work as a partnership. We want to make sure that everyone's happy with what we're providing, but it's also at the same side, what can we do for you? That's our approach with these guys, and that's the approach I take as a salesperson. What can I do for you?
It was a great experience for everybody. It was awesome to hear the feedback from the agents and whatnot that were here. Just how much they appreciated us giving them some information, a little more insight onto what their customers experience and what exactly goes into the restoration process. And we're hoping to see more people here